This is my experience of Project InfinityX for the Realme GT2. I'll put up the build number on screen. I've been using this ROM for around 5 days now and will be sharing my usage experience. First thing is that banking apps do work out of the box. WhatsApp does detect it as a custom ROM, but it works without any issues. The ROM also has an extensive list of customization, starting from home screen, lock screen, and throughout the UI, you also have various tweaks you can apply. I will be showing that I am enabling an AOD customization feature on screen, but please do not enable that because it wreaked havoc, at least in this build. In my case, I have enabled the MIUI style fingerprint sensor and the lock screen clock style. Apart from that, this ROM also does not have the animation bugs, so all the animations are very smooth and app launches are very quick. You also get features like Google Photos Unlimited storage by default. One of the small things that I appreciate about any ROM nowadays is this enabled 5G toggle. This ROM does miss out on the refresh rate toggle, but that's okay. I have not taken any screenshots of my battery usage, but you can see on screen that I've used the phone for around the screen on time is around 2 hours and 51 minutes, and it drained around 31% of battery. So battery life is also pretty good. You also have a game space. Unfortunately, I have not tried the gaming performance of this ROM, but yeah, it does have a game space with all the essential features. Talking about some things that are not great but I'm okay with, one thing is that the volume panel, the volume slider comes on the wrong side as default. You can change this in settings, but I guess the option should be turned on by default. I've also disabled the volume slider haptics because there are too many clicks, so it feels like dragging your finger in the sand rather than feeling individual clicks. There is also no Dolby Atmos implementation, but I'm fine with this because, as I've said before, sometimes it tends to make the sound a little harsh, so I keep it off most of the time. The ROM also uses the island notification by default, but the implementation is not perfect. Like sometimes it shows blank notifications or it does not work properly, so I've turned it off. So some of the issues that I faced are the main one is that the stock camera app does not work at all. Yes, I have tried clearing the data cache and I've also tried enabling permissions manually, but yeah, it does not work. I did face an issue with the fingerprint sensor. I'm not sure why that is, but a couple of restarts fixed it automatically. So I don't face the issue now, but I did face problems initially. Overall, I feel that this is a very nice ROM to use. It's a good daily driver as it does not have any animation bugs. So the UI is smooth. App launches are fast and consistent. The performance is very consistent and yeah, most of the things work. There is no, heating issues or anything. If you do use the stock camera app, it does not work unfortunately. So that might be a hindrance. After I filmed this, I realized that I turned on the AOD customization for this video. So only that wreaked havoc. Apart from that, yeah, this is a very nice ROM to use.